Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you.
Hello. How are you all? Welcome back to my channel. The video I have for you today is a very simple video on how I make my stitch braids. It's a method I find that works quite easy for me. It's very stress-free, and for me it's quite fast as well. And it's a step-by-step process. It's a little bit more detailed than most of my other videos. So here I've sectioned all the hair into 7 parts, which is the number of braids, or I'll say the amount of braids we'll be doing in the end. And then I went ahead to start sectioning each of the parted hair into smaller sections, which I called rectangle method for me. So here, when I part the hair into the rectangular section, I braid the hair up to the middle of the length of our hair, not to the very end, and I keep repeating the process until I get to the very last part of the sectioning. So you guys stay tuned, watch till end, and I'd say enjoy the video. Thank you. Here I start to braid the hair from the little section I left out, so that I don't really pull the hair tight when I'm braiding, and I start to add extension. The extension I've used here is Expression Ultra Braids, which is quite soft and very easy to plait with, and it does not irritate the scalp at all. So I keep going, braiding more like doing the Ghana braid method. I don't know, which is called the feeding method. So I keep repeating that process until I get to the very end of the braid, which is the middle of her head. Here the third braid. I've just continued the same process I started with on the number 1 braid, which is braiding small sections, and then going ahead to braid the whole of the extension, just to keep this volume and to make it open. You guys can all see that the hair is really coming out nice. I'm really happy with the outcome of the hair. It looks so beautiful. I start to repeat the same process on the left hand side of her head, and I kept braiding halfway, and at the end using extension to braid it all up. With the hair completely braided, I'm adding curly hair to the extended part of the braids, which is what she actually wanted, and I did that and she was quite happy. It didn't really take me long to add that to it. I find it so much easier looping it in rather than braiding along. And the hair came out nice. I like it, and she's absolutely happy with her hair as well. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.